Hello, welcome. You got Corey Neese, also known as Coach Corey 3. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a complete lead capture marketing funnel for BeFactor. So chances are you join this company and you don't have internet marketing training. You might not know what funnels are or how to leverage lead capture pages. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So basically, a lead capture funnel is a strategy where with the landing page, all right, the first lead capture page, you collect your prospect's information. The reason you do this is the most important part, is so that your prospects receive automated emails and follow-ups, okay? That is going to point your prospects back to your SP, your sales page, your sales presentation to click and order and to subscribe to your guys' monthly membership. So your guys' monthly memberships are right here. I'm on your guys' company website, and chances are they gave you a company replicated website that's similar to this. You guys got 3 subscriptions, it looks like, from $99 to $149 a month. So instead of sending them straight here, your leads, all right, we want to send your leads, your prospects to a lead capture page first, all right? So something that looks like this, all right? I know you guys do travel, you do trading, and that kind of stuff. This is just a template idea. So you can customize the wording on this page and make it say whatever you want, all right? So I know this page is just about travel, so you could change it up to add in like trading or Forex or whatever your company does, and just make the wording fit whatever your company does, all right? And then we want to send your prospects here where they're going to enter their email, and on the next page they can see a video or learn all about you personally, and then there's eventually going to be a link where they can click, and if they want to start a subscription, they can start and sign up with you guys today and click and learn more about your products or whatever you guys do. Now that's a much better strategy instead of sending them straight to your guys' company replicated site, because there's no way for you to follow up if you're not collecting those emails. All right, so here's 4 quick ways before I let you go where you can promote your new landing page. Okay, we got YouTube. This is my main YouTube channel. All you got to do is make good content, point people below. You got Facebook. All right, you know the bio, put your landing page there. Here's an example again. A link goes straight to my landing page, ask for the email. This is how I collect leads and make sales on autopilot. We got Web Talk, all right? It's a new social network. And we got Twitter, this is where I personally get most of my leads and sales for my business. Now, those are 4 places that are for free, that you can meet new people, you can make content, and you can generate leads on a consistent basis. Now, if you want to use a landing page that looks like this, to customize it, all you need to do is make a 7-day free account below. I'll put the links in the description below the video, and you can sign up with this 7-day free account. But first, it's better to enter your email address here to learn more information about sales funnels, Power Lead System, how this company works. It's super straightforward. All the videos and content will answer your questions, and if you have more, you can always message me over on Twitter at Coach Corey 3. Again, my Twitter handle is at Coach Corey 3, and I'd be glad to answer your questions, help you with your internet marketing, and just be sure to click the link below now, put in your details to learn how to leverage funnels for your business today, my friend.